This is Richard back at you guys. This is just a small video of a 6L90 rear planetary assembly on the lube cover. Anytime you get these in here with any type of converter failure or anything like that, they just fill the training pump full of metal. And this cover right here sets on the rear planetary, and you can't get it off without destroying it, but you can't get the metal out of it without taking it off. So you can clean that planet all day long and you ain't gonna get all that metal out of there. Okay? It's a big old planetary. Definitely gotta get the metal out. These are the oil feed holes for the pins. Now here's our new Sonex cover here that we're gonna be putting on. So it's under like that. Well, what we did to put this cover on, they got in the instructions, they want you to use a 6L80 plate and another drum out of, I don't see my instructions, but what we did is we took a C6 third gear backing plate and we chamfered it on the edge here. That way we know it sets flat on here like that. Okay, and then we got a 4T60E 1-2 drum, band drum, and we're going to TIG weld that on here for a permanent fixture, and we're going to make that a tool so we can start pressing them on there like that. So pretty simple, but we're going to get it over in the press it on. They say it'll take about 1,000 foot-pounds to put this on there. It pops onto a groove right in here. There's a groove. See what it looks like. So definitely a big upgrade, guys. We did get our Sonex lube damp cover pressed on, and guys, it was really simple. I was impressed on how easy it went on. You'll think it's not going on, and then all of a sudden it'll just go pop, and it's popped on all the way, nice and smooth. Now, like I was telling you, we used a C6 direct drum backing plate. We ground the edge off, that way it's set flush on there. And then we grabbed a 4T60E 1-2 drum, set it on there, and then we took our bushing driver, set it on there, and then we set over there on the press and popped it on, and it just went on beautiful. So really simple. Like I say, you can't reuse the original ones because you will destroy them at all. There's just physically no way. So, but isn't that a beauty? There you go, guys.